Hey, I'm Yuto, and today on Statue I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and delicious salmon rice ball. Let's get started. First, heat up a frying pan on medium and add about 1 teaspoon worth of butter. Once it's melted, add 100 grams of salmon fillet. This one has already been deboned and I removed the skin. Fry this for a couple of minutes on each side or until it's cooked all the way through. Once it reaches this point, use a spatula to break it up into flakes. It's up to you how small you break it. The smaller the flakes, the more evenly it will disperse through the rice. But some people prefer big chunks of salmon, and that's fine too. Mine has a mixture of big and small pieces and I'm happy with that. So now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and continue to cook until it's absorbed and there is no liquid left in the pan. Butter and soy sauce is a popular flavor combination in Japan. It's rich and salty. It's really good. Okay, this looks great, so let's take it off the heat and transfer it to a heat-proof bowl. Add about 350 grams of cooked Japanese rice. That's about 3/4 of a US cup or 1 Japanese rice cup before cooking. Then add half a tablespoon of white sesame seeds and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green onion or scallions. Mix the rice using a cut and fold motion with the edge of a rice puddle or spatula. This will help prevent crushing the rice. It's also important to mention that you must use Japanese short grain white rice for rice balls. It has a sticky texture that folds its shape. I usually use a rice cooker to cook my rice, but if you want to know how to cook perfect Japanese rice, check out my rice video to learn how. Okay, this looks good, so let's shape. If you're shaping by hand, wet your hands with cold water to stop the rice from sticking. Take a handful and gently press into a bowl. Turn and press the ball to shape it into a triangle like this. If you want all of the rice balls to be the same size, you might find it helpful to divide the rice into portions before you start shaping. Okay, I'm happy with this, so finally wrap the nori and it's complete. If you're not confident in your shaping skills, you can use a plastic rice ball mold like this. They're very cheap, easy to use and also easy to clean. Simply fill it up with the rice to the top and use the edge of the rice puddle to spread it into the corners. So pack it moderately to the top and then push the lid down like this. Finally wrap with nori and that's it. Easy and delicious salmon rice balls flavored with butter and soy sauce. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you want the full written recipe, it's on my blog and the link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.